Hello, Raymond Wolfgang here. And are you involved with something called APIs? Maybe you're asked to write some software for an API. Even if you're in systems engineering and don't do a lot of coding, this is something that I think will make a lot of sense. What they're called application programming interfaces. Basically, it's an interface. Now, in systems engineering, we deal with interfaces. We have to care about them. Particularly, let's say if we have a system, we have our system, we might have interfaces between individual subparts of our system. So that would be a natural part of our design effort. Now, let's say we're writing up a software system, or even if it's hardware, sometimes we have to interact with a customer system or someone else's website, someone else's system. That's over here. Now the API, where that comes in, that's in the middle. So you have an interface. I'll that in the middle here. The application programming interface. This acts as a liaison or a bridge between our system and this other system that we need to interact with. And sometimes we need to get data back from it as well. So we're coming here. Now, example here, you might have maybe looked up a hotel on a hotel website. Let's say you're thinking of staying there, business or personal, and you might see on the hotel it says directions, and somewhere else near there it might say map. Now, the map looks a lot like the Google Map interface. Well, that's an example. Now, I have not programmed these, but that would be an example of someone else's system being the Google Map application, and then our system being our hotel website. We're writing up a website for the hotel or for some other place, and we need to be able to tell people where it is. Now, we're not going to create our own map engine for our hotel site, but with this interface, if we know the interface, we can then talk to Google system and then get data back from Google to then display on our own hotel website. So then the person who wants to book a room, they don't have to bring up Google Maps or bring up a different app. Then you're going back and forth between apps, and that's real short. So again, API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's another interface that would act as a requirement for our system. Okay, we would need to program something to talk to it, and it would allow functionality for our system, so we meet those requirements as well. Hey, if this resonates with you, message me and let me know. If you want to continue the discussion, reach out.